Yes, I can confirm the rumours. The Crumpets are back. Today we have bacon and eggs and asparagus, and I am hungry. Yeah, I've had my smoothie, but Nicola has taken the peanuts for my mid-morning snack. There was one left, one box. She's taken it, so I've had to resort to some porridge. Livid. We got some fish and quinoa and a little bit of other stuff. Quinoa and some berry stuff. I don't even know. Oh yeah. Yes, I can confirm the rumours. The Crumpets are back. Wah! I lost the most weight when I was on the Crumpets.
Oh, and Henry wants a crumpet too. And a crumpet!
I lost most of my weight when I was eating Crumpets, so I say we just eat them. They're low in fat, feel like they're stodging me out. That can only be a good thing. Who knows? And some plastic, hideous cheese on top. What's not to love? And dribble. Hopefully the camera quality isn't good enough to pick up that bit of dribble. Crumpets.
I haven't had one in about 4 days now, so I think it's time that I had a burger. Celebrate that lovely taste with a teeny tiny bit of dark chocolate and orange.